So Heathrow is the UK's busiest airport. The airport itself is probably the size of a city. We have approximately 75,000 people that come and work for us at any given moment across a huge range of activities. The data at Heathrow is very broad and we cover a number of different areas, including engineering, passengers, our airfield, our properties and our commercial operations. So we've taken a functionally led approach to data and analytics at Heathrow, which gives us a significant benefit in terms of the knowledge that each of the functions have, but it did lead to technology being split across the functions with different levels of maturity and different levels of ability in terms of how to execute driving value. So by putting a centralized data lake and data technology in place, it allowed us to ensure that the best practice data technologies were available.
So they shrewdly wanted to leverage the downtime that COVID brought to invest in a platform so they could bring data in throughout the airport and be a much more data-driven organization. So they were looking for a partner who could help build out the architecture and platform, support it afterwards, and help develop new use cases as time went on. So we became a build and run partner for Heathrow. So we built the platform alongside them, help them with best practice, and then we have a managed service and run team that are developing that platform and delivering, we call it business as usual requirements. And then we scale up delivery teams for when new requirements come in from Heathrow.
It's really the breadth of the impact that the Heathrow Insights platform has made. So we have many well-established data products sat running off of the Insights platform. From looking at cargo, so looking at the volume of cargo that passes through the airport, looking at new trade routes, opportunities, all of the detailed insights around the cargo operations. But then we also have retail information, so down to the product level, and understanding and working with our concessionaires and our retailers to make sure that we've got the right product offering for whatever the passenger mixture might be. We work with the health and safety team, so we look at all of the close calls that occur across the airport. We work with finance as well, so we look at a lot of the non-financial impactors that might be impacting our financial performance. So passenger turn-up profiles, how long passengers are spending in the departure lounge. But as well as that, this year we've really accelerated our adoption of what we call innovation labs. And we now have 7, so we have 7 distinct teams brought together on the same platform. They're not just utilizing the same data, but they're actually upskilling themselves as well and using the technology and the data that we're providing them to learn more about themselves, their own careers at Heathrow.
The value of working with the Adatis is they immediately brought a deep technical expertise to our team. They're prepared to listen, but also prepared to give feedback to us when we need it. And that's what allows us to really drive the partnership forward. It's an exciting time for Heathrow because over the last 2 years, we've put the building blocks in place to really allow us to deal with the exponential change in technology that the world faces. And we know that that's going to enable us to give Heathrow the best passenger experience in the world.